Welcome to a state-of-the-art American crocodile farm where pristine conditions ensure healthy, robust animals. Observe the vitality of American crocodiles, essential for quality meat production. Skilled farmhands meticulously prepare crocodile meat adhering to ethical standards. The journey begins as fresh crocodile carcasses arrive ready for meticulous processing. Each carcass is meticulously handled, ensuring the highest standards of quality from the outset. Efficiency meets precision as carcasses are systematically transferred for the next stage. Accurate weighing ensures precise inventory and quality control for every piece. Focused expertise ensures every carcass meets our stringent quality benchmarks. With the final delivery secured, the receiving bay is prepared for the next phase. The automated system begins the meticulous cleaning, ensuring pristine quality for every piece. Precision engineering ensures every surface is reached, guaranteeing the highest standards of hygiene. Emerging from the wash, the crocodile meat gleams ready for the next stage of preparation. Every droplet is removed, leaving the surface perfectly prepared for further processing. Each cut is a testament to the skill and precision demanded by the meticulous process. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. The crocodile meat emerges showcasing its natural lean texture and vibrant pale pink hue. Every movement on the line is choreographed for maximum efficiency and quality control. The consistency of these initial cuts ensures optimal quality for every piece of crocodile meat. The delicate white meat begins to emerge, testament to skilled craftsmanship. Each cut finds its purpose, destined for grilling or slow-cooked stewing. tools of the trade assist in precise separation, upholding stringent quality standards. Focused attention ensures every piece meets the highest standards of quality and preparation. The meticulously sorted crocodile meat is now ready for further processing, destined for gourmet dishes. Skilled specialists meticulously prepare each piece of crocodile meat, ensuring pristine quality.
Watch the trim on this batch, make sure it's consistent.
Looks good. The next section is clear.
Every cut reflects expertise, ensuring each fillet meets the highest quality standards. From raw fillet to pristine portion, every step is a testament to American craftsmanship. Advanced technology and human expertise combine for unparalleled quality in every cut. Precision dicing ensures uniform cuts, critical for consistent stew preparation. Each cube is perfectly formed, ready for the next stage of culinary artistry. Advanced technology guarantees efficiency and the highest quality product. From raw cuts to perfect cubes, every step is executed with meticulous care. This precise preparation ensures the rich flavor and tender texture in every dish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Precision weighing ensures every crocodile steak meets exact quality standards. Each meticulously portioned steak is a testament to quality and consistency. Each perfectly portioned steak is now ready for the next stage of preparation. Here, choice cuts of crocodile meat are perfectly seasoned, ensuring every bite is rich with flavor. This careful tumbling process guarantees an even coating, infusing the meat deeply with our unique blend. The perfect balance of herbs and spices now clings to every fiber, ready for the next stage.
Lean, firm crocodile meat, pale white to light pink.
Diced crocodile meat is carefully combined with rich simmering tomato sauce. Expert workers ensure perfect consistency and temperature for optimal flavor. The crocodile stew simmers to perfection, ready for the next stage. From raw ingredients to rich stew, every step is a testament to quality. Careful oversight ensures consistent product quality and safety. From raw meat to savory stew, quality is carefully crafted. Each batch of savory crocodile stew is meticulously prepared for its journey. Premium crocodile tail steaks are tenderized, ensuring perfect texture for culinary excellence. The carefully tenderized steaks emerge ready for the next stage of preparation. The machine's advanced technology ensures each steak receives consistent tenderization. Each tenderized steak is stacked ready for further processing or immediate packaging.
Keep the line moving smoothly. We're almost at the target for this hour.
Understood. Everything is running perfectly here.
Each tray is now perfectly positioned for the automated packaging process. Advanced technology creates an airtight, vacuum-sealed package, preserving freshness. Each package represents the highest standards of quality and food safety. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Precision and hygiene define this crucial step in preparing our gourmet crocodile stew. Our advanced heat sealing technology ensures airtight perfection, preserving freshness and quality. Each pouch undergoes a thorough cleaning, guaranteeing a flawless finish for our premium product. Before labeling, an automated system performs a final quality check for perfection. Automated precision ensures every label is perfectly placed, a testament to our quality. Our Crocodile scoop, perfectly sealed, cleaned and labeled, now ready for distribution. Careful hands select premium cuts, preparing them for their final presentation. The sealing process locks in freshness, preserving the steak's quality. Each package is a testament to quality, ready for its journey to the consumer. Each meticulously prepared steak reflects our unwavering commitment to quality. Every product leaving the factory is a commitment to meeting international quality standards. From the line to your table, our commitment to excellence endures. Precision robotics ensure every package of premium crocodile meat is perfectly prepared for shipment. Each package is carefully placed and into branded boxes, ensuring product integrity. Once full, each box is automatically sealed, ready for the next stage of distribution. Carefully packaged, the premium crocodile meat is prepared for its journey to cold storage. Each pallet represents a commitment to quality and efficient logistics. In the vast cold storage, each pallet secures the quality of the product for future demand. That journey doesn't end at the warehouse door, but continues through every kitchen. We bring convenience to warm family meals. And also premium ingredients for exceptional culinary experiences.